Toby the police tram engine. Oh, he is so speedy, isn't it, Toby? Yep, a bit speedy, isn't it? Yeah, Toby, he is quite speedy, isn't he? Yeah. Huh? Come on, Henry. Just go. The signal is... I can't. I'm too scared. Well, you have to move then. Don't worry, Toby. I'm certain Henry will move. Suppose you're right.
Types of people. However, what happens when it's a cop's own handcuffs?
Aha. Hey, Henrietta. I've got an idea. What is it, Toby? When engines are puffing faster and past red signal, maybe I could be a cop just like them. Pfft, Toby, you're a tram engine. I was maybe a tram engine, but I also made a police tram. Tram police? Police tram? What is a police tram? A police tram is when you arrest people, but in a tram. and I'm gonna catch one next morning. I could be like one. Don't worry, Henrietta. I'll sort this out tomorrow. Victor, I need you. What is it, Toby, my friend? I need this. I need to find something. That's nice. Maybe we could use this as a police well, Toby, if you say, because I want to be a police just like anybody else. Because I know there's an entire thing. I'm watching on TV. Trains do not watch TVs. Whatever. Just give it to me already. Thank you, Toby. You're very welcome, Toby. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to arrest some napkins. Arrest the what? Oh, for goodness sake, Kevin. Sorry, boss. I'm slipping up. Shut it. I don't care. What you gonna do when Sugar John don't come for you? Toby to the rescue. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you work and you have bad dreams, you go to school. God, I need something, don't go slow. Don't, excuse me, sir. Don't you have to do bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do when they come for you? The chuck it on that one. Told you try not to go too fast. Now it's time to help you on your father. You chuck it on your father and you chuck it on your sister. You chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? Speeding. What is it? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Now excuse me, I got some more. Oh, what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. Excuse me. What you gonna do? You cannot just pop in the siding, but my wheel cap is broken. How am I supposed to pop without my wheel cap? Oh well, I don't care. You're getting a ticket for that. Oh no, my penny. I'm a police officer. Don't speak to me like that. I'm gonna go. Wow, I love being a police tram engine. This is kind of fun. Toby, what is going on here? And why are you wearing a police thingy on your... Well, can't you see? I'm a police tram engine. Well, not just a police tram engine. Causing confusion and delay. That's what it... What do you mean? Police tram engine is not causing confusion and delay. Yes, but Gordon was speeding, eating a stopping at a signal. Don't you know Caps was broken and he can't move? Oh, right. I see now. Sorry, sir. I should better know next time. You should be. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to get something for the 4th of July. Maybe I should have be a good, really useful tram police engine. This is the worst day ever. Hurry up, Cranky! I need to lift my truck. Thomas, can you see I'm busy loading here? Yeah, building trucks with any of the end. Oh, yeah, exactly. So hurry up, be patient. What's wrong, Thomas? Cranky's taking patience. He's trying to look at the other engines, but oh, so that's why he is. Hello, everybody. Does someone say Jubbery Gunter? No. Okay then. Wait, Samson. Fire in the hole. Yeah, good job, Jimmy 5. Now, who's up for? You want it's fun. I can't hear you. Okay then. We got you. What's going on? I don't know. Jimmy 5 and Smudge. We need to stop them before it really gets into disaster. What's up? Run, guys! Fisher, run! What's going on? What's going on, Thomas? There's a rocket! That's what I was watching! What do we have? You can't shimmy me up. Oh god. I'll shoot you! I see Andrea. Wait. This time is what's going on? What the fish? What's all these rockets coming? Cranky's going to bring them from the 4th of July, so when we celebrate, and then Jimmy 5 and Smudge with a gun, and it tumbled, and then it dropped, and then it collapsed, and it went everywhere. Cranky, was that true? Oh, no, it wasn't true. It was that. I got you now, Mr. Toby. What is all this going on here? Why were you make this place all mess? And why got a police siren on your Well, sir, I was about to be on the police with Tram, but I was trying to be a police just like anybody else, and I saw it on TV. I just want to be really useful. I guess so, Toby. I guess you're right. What? What is it? You may be a tram police, but you were born the tram. Also, he's a train. Shut it, Toby. You were. I'll forgive you. You are the tram police. Thank you, Sir Top and Hat. And as for you, Jimmy Five, give me that. Hey, I was playing. I don't care. Since there's not my one to be with. This is Thomas's. Thank you, sir. No problem, Thomas. And boys, what do you say for yourself for causing confusion and delay? Sorry. It's great to be a police tram, but it's funny to be chaotic. You said it, Toby. And you're like the sheriff badge. Excuse me, what am I supposed to do with the 4th of July fireworks descendants? Today, everyone, is a very special day. We all gather around these routines, and do you know today? It's the 4th of July! Yay! Yes, I know. Isn't it exciting? There's fireworks. There's gonna be fireworks booming from the sky. You've got one right, Toby. Yeah. It's like a siren, isn't it? Yes, it is, Toby. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna call the fireworks. Call the fireworks out, please. Ding, ding. Oh, the fireworks. Are you alright, Goofy? Yeah. Shh. Go on down out of the way. Get out of the way. Oh, the addicted. That was a bit chaos, wasn't it? No, right? Anyways, happy 4th of... That was a bit of chaos, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, happy 4th of July, everyone. Happy 4th of July. Toby, thanks to Toby, you saved the 4th of July. Wow, Toby, you really are a... Yeehaw! Right the wind. Police... As a police tram. Thank you, sir. I've never been better. Hey, can someone get this rocket off me? I feel a bit clumsy, dizzy air. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get